I'm Stav from Brooklyn Music Factory. I want to show you how I can use my hands and hand movements to help me control my voice and to be a little bit more accurate in pitch. I'm going to take a melody that goes down, and instead of dropping the low notes, I am going to carry them as if they're very, very delicate. And even instead of going down with the melody, I'm going to pretend that it goes up. So it will look like this. And you can do that with me on any vowel you want. It could be a, o, e, I, u, as long as you help the melody stay in place with hand movement. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's easier to do it when you're standing and you can even sway a little bit or walk in the room. This helps us relax and release any tension that we might gather in our bodies. But you can also try this on a real song. For example, let's think about summer. And we can sing Summertime when the living is easy. And every time we hit a low note, we can go up a little bit. And every time we have a long note, we can stretch it. And maybe we can also signal if the melody goes up or down. Let's see how that happens. Summertime. Are jumping and the cotton is high. Your dad is rich and your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. And maybe some notes are difficult, so we can stand up and move with our entire body to help us. For example, if I sing, "This girl," it might be difficult, so I can stop my foot down every time I hit that note. This girl! Or maybe you have another way. Maybe you just need to bend a little bit. This girl! Or maybe you need to throw something or toss something. This girl! Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. This girl is on fire! This girl is on fire! And try not to move too much because then maybe your voice will shake. But you get what I mean, right? You can dance, you can sway, you can really stomp your foot down. Maybe you want to use only your hands, and then After it becomes a little bit easier, you can go back pretending you're on stage, singing with just a little bit of those movements. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Good luck with everything you sing. Try hand movements, try dancing, try walking in the room, and see what works best for you.